So hello everyone. Today I want to tell you something about new thing, a new topic. This topic will help you mostly all the beginners, all the students, recent pass outs that who wants to get into SAP career. Okay, so I just wanted to give you some few ideas, few tips that which I have already posted it long back, the same on my website as well. But still, I want to explain it for you so that all the beginners that who wants to find their career in SAP, so I'm sure that this may help them with some inputs. So now you want to launch your career as SAP. So the first one is you should know that SAP is one of the biggest business software in the world itself. And now SAP is slowly, introducing a lot of new applications, like for example, cloud, for example, like Success Factors, and which is an HR application, like SAP Ariba, like a lot of even most of the SAP solutions, like many of the SAP solutions are available for every education background, the recent pass out. You can research, you can find that which SAP solution you should learn, right? So now here that when I want to find my career at SAP, there are four tips that you can find to find your career at SAP. The first one is careers fairs like internships, develop your network, social platforms, and stay up to date with the content that you are going to learn as for the market trends. The first thing is all the beginners like who are still while you are studying, while you are continuing your education, there are a few people I personally know that simultaneously they learn some applications in SAP. So by the time you come out, so I think there are some companies that reach out to the some cities, some universities, or some colleges. They conduct some kind of job fair, so now, as I told you in the previous topic, that how to develop your professional CV as you are a beginner. So prepare your resume, make sure that your resume is up to date with all the skills and with all the latest content, and then try to participate in the job fairs and all. The second tip is internships, that how to find your goal at SAP. Getting an internship is a great way that you can get your foot in the door. So there are many companies offer internships and working opportunities while you are studying. The another one is the third tip that you can always follow is reach out to your network. The one of the most important platform is LinkedIn. So now, so try to talk to the people who are already working in SAP, try to get some ideas, try to get some kind of inputs, that every doubt that you have, consult the existing consultants, the experienced people, and there are few people who are really willing to help you. So consult them, talk to them, and then try to develop something more about SAP, because this most powerful application, the most powerful software company in the world. So once you get in, and I'm sure that you will see a lot of satisfaction, job satisfaction. And every time that you learn something new, that is the most important thing, interesting thing that you will see in SAP. The another tip that I want to tell you is stay up to date on the latest trends in the market. So now, SAP always introduce lot of new things. So you cannot stick on one thing that if you learn, you try to learn every time. There is no end, there is no limit. SAP, any solution you take, every solution is like an ocean. So that is a kind of mindset, that is a kind of preparation you should have when you want to get into SAP. There is no limit for learning, there is always something to learn. So if you work out like that, if you prepare like that, and you will be one of the good consultant in the market. And there are a lot of job portals are also available in the internet, but along with that, you can also check out a lot of opportunities at SAP directly, and you can see the site that I have mentioned here on my website. like www.sap.com/careers. So those who are watching this video, I'll bookmark this link on the description list and bookmark it. Try to check every time based on your profile. Try to apply, and there are job portals are available. LinkedIn is there. A lot, many job application, portals that you can upload your resume up to date, and so try to find your career as early as possible, and I'm sure you'll find more interesting things and with a job satisfaction. Okay, thank you so much, and I hope that this few tips will give you that where you can develop your career as a beginner at SAP. Thank you so much.